Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating iRobot Roomba Error Code 30 on your 2025 model, you're in the right place. This error often pops up due to issues with the charging system, like dirty contacts or a faulty connection, but don't worry. I'll guide you through simple fixes that can get your Roomba vacuuming again in no time. Let's dive in. First off, what is Error Code 30? It typically means your Roomba isn't charging properly, which could be caused by dust buildup, a loose power cord, or even a software glitch. Before we start, make sure your Roomba is powered off and unplugged to avoid any accidents. Safety first. Step 1. Clean the charging contacts. Grab a soft, dry cloth or a small brush and gently wipe the metal contacts on both your Roomba and the charging dock. Dust and debris are common culprits, and this quick clean can often resolve the issue. Give it a try, it's super easy. Step 2. Check your power setup. Ensure the charging dock is firmly plugged into a wall outlet and that the outlet is working. Sometimes, switching to a different outlet or checking for a tripped circuit breaker does the trick. Also, inspect the power cord for any damage. Step 3. Perform a reset. Hold down the Clean button on your Roomba for about 10 seconds until you hear a beep. This resets the device and can clear temporary errors. Once it's reset, try placing it back on the dock to see if the error persists. If that doesn't work, Step 4. Update your Roomba's software. Download the iRobot app on your phone, connect to your Roomba, and check for any available updates. Manufacturers release fixes for common errors like this one regularly. Finally, if none of these steps help, it might be time to contact iRobot support. They can guide you through more advanced troubleshooting or recommend a repair. There you have it. Simple steps to fix Error Code 30 and get your Roomba back to cleaning your floors effortlessly. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.